Click on Year in the column shelf and select Continuous, to prepare for trend line. Go to the left pane, click on the Analytics tab. Drag trend line to the view, and drop it on the linear option. What do you notice? A trend line is used to model the relationship between two or more variables. Rest the mouse on Lebanon's trend line until the pointer changes to a hand, right-click the line and select Describe Trend Line. Is there a meaningful relationship between year and value for Lebanon? The p-value has the answer. If the p-value is less than or equal to 0.05, it means that you have evidence to conclude that there is a statistically significant relationship between the variables, and the trend line is meaningful. If the p-value is greater than the significance level, then you don't have enough evidence to suggest a significant relationship. Highlight the equation value, copy it using Ctrl+C. Open an Excel file, and paste the equation in cell B1. Type year in cell B3, and value in cell C3. Copy it, and paste it in cell C4. Replace year in the formula by before. What is the forecasted corruption index for the year 2024 for Lebanon? 14.22. Is it better or worse than year 2022? Check for Belgium. What is the lesson learned in relation to corruption? Click on Publish As. In the Publish Workbook box, type a name, and click Publish. To remove the trend line, rest the mouse on it until the pointer changes to a hand, drag it off of the visualization area to remove it. Repeat for Belgium.